The first step is to open Canva, and click Create a Design. Choose a design. In this example, click Logo. Click Elements. Search for the type of element you want to use. In this example, type flower. Scroll down, and hover over an element to reveal its three-dot menu. Click on the three-dot menu. In the pop-up menu, click Star. Each time you star an element, you'll be offered the option to view all of your starred elements. To do this, click View. From the view of your starred elements, if you want to add more elements to your favorites, click Elements in the left-hand menu. Like before, hover over another element to reveal its three-dot menu, and click on the three-dot menu. You can continue the process of starring elements to add to your favorites and viewing your starred folder each time you add a new element to it. When you're in your starred folder, if you want to remove an element from your favorites, hover over the element to reveal its three-dot menu. Click Unstar. You'll be given the option to undo the removal of the element from your starred folder. To return to all of the elements, click Elements. To return to the starred folder without first starring an element, scroll down the left-hand menu, and click Starred. Now you're back in your starred folder with your favorite elements. That's it. You're done.